Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring where energy goes. Gather 2 weeks of bills and note high use times. First, set a sensible thermostat target, 68 degrees for heating or 78 degrees for cooling, to reduce runtime. Then replace obvious waste. Swap incandescent bulbs for LEDs now. They use about 60% less energy. Once done, seal major drafts at doors and windows with weather stripping so your HVAC effort isn't lost, and you can move confidently to deeper measures. Next, tackle the big energy drivers. Insulate the attic to at least R30 or your local recommended level so heat transfer drops significantly. Make sure to service the HVAC, change filters, seal ducts, and schedule a professional tune-up to restore efficiency. Upgrade major appliances to Energy Star or add smart power strips to eliminate phantom loads. While you work through these steps, monitor changes so you know which measures give the best payback and adjust priorities accordingly. To finish, install a smart meter or use your utility app to track hourly usage and confirm savings. Program a 7-day thermostat schedule and fine-tune set points for occupancy. Make sure to use setbacks when you're away. Apply for local rebates to offset upgrades and schedule seasonal maintenance. If expected savings don't appear, troubleshoot. Check for phantom loads, verify thermostat schedules, and inspect insulation or duct leaks. Address the largest discrepancy first to restore the plan's effect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.